So these guys are getting some goose and kibble. We have 3 little boys in here that are available. And Courtney, one of these is your girl. If they stop long enough, I'll be able to tell you which one. She is fairly distinct in her color, so. Little tiny mommy. Hungry babies. So it looks like our little girl is on the far left with the all white tail. Yay! Whoops! Dad distracted you, baby. So the other 3 are boys and they are available. We got a light color, a medium, and a darker. From this angle anyway. And they love wild goose with their kibble. Mom's like, I'm not getting any. How come I'm not getting any? It's like, Dad, maybe you better give me an extra scoop. Oh, it's like, thanks, Dad, but the pups still have it. Cute.